Hello friends, this is Dr. Vijay Kumar. I am welcoming you all in my lecture on the topic Poisson distribution. Friend, as you know, my every lecture is available in both English and Hindi language version. Please go to my channel or description of any video for getting proper link. Friend, in this series of video, I am making lecture on theoretical distribution. In the last video, I discussed binomial distribution. In the present video, I will discuss Poisson distribution. In the next video, I will discuss normal distribution. So, coming to our today's lecture on Poisson distribution, the Poisson distribution concept was given by French mathematician named Simeon Denis Poisson. So the name of this distribution was based upon the name of the scientist Poisson. It is also a discrete frequency distribution like binomial distribution, but this distribution also have some differences with binomial distribution. In the next few slides, I will discuss what are different differences from the binomial distribution. Poisson distribution is a distribution of the number of times a rare discrete event occur in a continuum of space or time. In binomial distribution, n, the size of the sample or the number of trials in which the number of times an event occurs and the number of times it fails to occur are counted is known. But in the case of Poisson distribution, n is not known. This is the big difference. In the case of binomial distribution, n is known, but here in the case of Poisson distribution, n is not known, or it is infinitely large, and therefore you can count only the number of times the rare event occurs, but not the number of times the event fails to occur. Poisson distribution is generally studied in a spatial, for example, length, area, volume, etc., or temporal, for example, second, minute, hour, day, month, year, sample. So, Poisson distribution is generally studied in a spatial sample or temporal sample. Poisson events is a rare event because the probability of its occurrence is very small. These are few examples of Poisson events. First, Poisson events in a continuum of time. So these are three examples. The first is number of lightning during half-hour period of thunderstorm. The second example is number of radioactive particle emitted by a substance per unit time. The third example is number of earthquakes per year. So these are few examples of Poisson events in a continuum of time. Now these are a few other Poisson events in a continuum of space. The first example is number of organisms or RBC or WBCs seen in 1 square of hemocytometer. The second example is number of tadpoles in a sample of water from pond. The third example is number of printing errors in a page of a book. So these are few examples of Poisson events in a continuum of space. Now I will discuss derivation of Poisson probability distribution, how to calculate the Poisson probability distribution. So this is the formula here. M is mean value, X is number of times Poisson event occurs, E is Neperian logarithm. So in the last in the last section of this slide, I have shown you the formula for occurrence of a Poisson event X times. So you can use this formula. Now these are few properties of Poisson distribution. The first property is the Poisson distribution is defined by a single parameter, and that parameter is mean. You can define the main parameter for defining Poisson distribution is mean. The second property is the variance of the Poisson distribution is equal to mean of the distribution. Therefore, a standard deviation of a Poisson distribution is root under m. The third property is the Poisson distribution tend to be normal distribution as m increases. Here m is mean value. If your mean value will increase, then in that case Poisson distribution tend to be a normal distribution. Now I will discuss few applications of Poisson distribution. The first application is it is used to find whether distribution of plants or animals in their environment is random. The second application is it can also be used to understand whether the occurrence of incidences of disease such as malaria, polio, chickenpox, etc. are rare or otherwise. So friend, this is all for Poisson distribution. Thanks for watching my video. I will request you all, please comment on the video for making video more error free in the future. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.